Is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Only thing that's saving you. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year only.
All right, my love. So in today's video, we are going to be doing my 2026 baddie makeup glam. Okay, this is that New Year's glow. This is that New Year glam. Okay, if you want to see how we achieve a full glam, baby, ain't nothing clean and soft about this beat whatsoever. This is a full dramatic beat. If you want to see how I achieve this look and you want all the detailed steps to this makeup tutorial, this video you want to watch. I promise you, by the end of the video, you are going to feel so confident in doing your makeup, and that's what we need all 2026. We need you to embody that energy of confidence, okay? So give me your hand, put it here, and let's get into this video together. First, we need to moisturize our skin. We do not need no dry, cracky, thirsty skin while we achieve this flawless beat, girl. I love to use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is such a thick cream, but it doesn't disrupt my makeup. Some creams are a little too greasy, but this is like so perfect, and I feel like it's the perfect consistency. And girl, make sure you take it down to that neck, okay? No dry necks. Let me add a little bit extra because I feel like my neck could use it, but no dry necks. This is gonna help with those premature wrinkles because these are areas sometimes we forget to show a little extra love to. Now that our skin is nice and moisturized, we're gonna go into priming. For primer, I'm using a bougie girl, but this is for the New Year's, okay? So we are going in that bag and we are grabbing the good stuff, and all of it's good, don't get me wrong, but this is the YSL primer. They sent this to me earlier this year, and when I tell you, this is one of the best blurring primer. It actually has 24 karat gold in there. I know, girl, it's a little expensive, but this is a really, really great primer. If you're dry and you want something affordable, go for the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And if you are oily and you want something that's good and affordable, you guys know calamine lotion is my girl. That is going to make sure you stay matte all day. This primer is literally so amazing for just blurring out your face. It literally feels like I am putting on a cloud. For foundation today, we're gonna go ahead and take the Kiehl Makiage I Woke Up Like This foundation. We're gonna go ahead and add this shade to the lower half of my face because this does look a little bit tan for me. It's okay to go a little bit darker with your foundation because you're gonna be taking pictures. It's the New Year's, so let's say that flash is on, baby, you is not gonna be giving ghosts. I'm gonna go ahead and mix my foundation with the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I love NARS so much. I'm just gonna go ahead and just add that to the other portion of my face just because it's a little bit closer to my actual skin tone. It Cosmetics did go ahead and send me over their Wicked brushes. I did see this all over my TikTok, so I thought it was so cute when they sent this over to me. Really soft bristles. The brush is so pretty. Look at that. And then when you turn it upside down, it has sparkles and glitter. We are just going to blend out my foundation. So for blending out your foundation, I like to start at the bottom of my jaw. One, you want to make sure you're going under your jawline. I hate when makeup looks like a mask. And now I'm just gonna work into the center of my face and blend the rest of the product out, really using tapping motions to blend. Also, if you are struggling with getting such a flawless finish with your foundation, I do have an ebook where you can learn my techniques and all of my secrets of how I get that flawless look every time I do my makeup. So for concealer, we're gonna be using the Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, and baby, she is that girl, okay? This is Age Rewind, and baby, I wanna look like I'm 10, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and use her right under our T-zone, okay? And if you don't know what the T-zone is, girl, you just gotta get the book, okay? You gotta get the book, you gotta get the textbook. So if you come to class, you gotta have the textbook so you can understand what the girl, you get it, it's in the bio, but let's keep going. But we're just gonna go ahead and apply her right in our T-zone. So that's gonna be under our eyes, just like this. And I'm not gonna lie, I am very heavy-handed with my concealer. Baby, it's a new year. We wanna make sure that we are concealing what we do not want to see, honey, okay? That's dark spots, and we gonna be highlighted too. Thank you. So while the concealer is drying down under our eye, we're gonna go ahead and take my holy grail. This is my holy grail product. I have used this for years consecutively. I have not found a bronzer that I like better than this. That's a cream bronzer at that. So if you have one, let me know. But this is the Black Opal foundation stick, and this is in shade Hazelnut. I love this shade. I'm gonna go ahead and just bronze my face, and I am never shy with my bronzer, especially during the winter time. I get very light, so I like to bring back color. So now we're gonna go ahead and take our Wicked brush. Look at this, it's just so cute. We're gonna go ahead and take her to blend out our contour. You really want to take your time and just push this into the skin. This is when the makeup starts to make up. This is when things start to flow together. Even when I do my clients, this is the part where I'm like, oh yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and just push this into the skin. We really want to be nice and sun-kissed for the new year. So to blend out our concealer, I like to take a powder puff and I like to just push the product right into the skin. I think it just gives me such a airbrush look. I'm already looking airbrush, which we love that. But I start everywhere. First I start with my chin, then I do my forehead, and then we'll do under my eye. And now we're just gonna go directly under my eye. And you just see how that Maybelline concealer just disappears under my eye. It literally is so good. So now I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. We're just gonna push this into the skin. So now we're gonna go ahead and take a even brighter shade. This is 121, and we're gonna make sure we're bringing it to the side of our nose and directly in the front of our eye. We're not gonna go too far out because we kind of want that gradient look. Do you see that? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this face. And we're gonna go ahead and take the Juvia's Place blush. This is their cream blushes. I like it more than I like their liquid because it's more controllable. They're still intense, but they're a little less intense. One thing about me, I am very stubborn when it comes to new makeup trends. I really like what works for me, but I have been growing under, that pink under eye has been growing on me. So I'm going to show you how I like to do it. I like to go in with my blush, and I like to keep my blush very high and very lifted, but we also bring it a little bit under my eye. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more concealer because I feel like the blush is taking over. So we wanna make sure my concealer is still in the room with us. We're gonna take the Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is in shade Banana Bread. I really like it because it's not too yellow, but it will tone down our under eye just a tiny bit. I'm gonna go ahead and look up and press this directly into the skin. We are going to set before we bake. We're gonna make sure we have an even application, so we tap off the excess and then we push into the skin. Right now we're just taking off any of that extra shine, working this into the skin. All over the face. We want to make sure your whole face is set. This is how you know your makeup is going to last all day long. You don't want anything shiny or creamy. Your natural, your primers, if you had, like, let's say you had a dewy primer, it's naturally going to shine back through, but you want to make sure you set it because you want your makeup to be nice and locked in. This is actually a blush palette that I'm trying out to see if I want to launch with my cosmetics line, but it just has such beautiful shades. And this is my favorite pink, but this is good for all complexions. Like, everybody gets hit with this. Love this. Look at that. Look how beautiful this looks. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Like, this is why I love makeup, for nights like this. We're going back with YSL. This is their bronzer, and this is in shade 03. And we are just going to bronze everything that we just did. We're just adding the powders right back on top, just so everything can still have its pop and still be set. So now we're gonna go back in with Banana Bread with Huda Beauty, and we're gonna use that to bake. Now we're gonna lock our makeup in, so let's bake. And I'm also gonna take Kunafa, which is more of a it's like a honey shade. We're gonna take this to bake the rest of our face. So this is what we look like. Now we're gonna jump into our eyes. This is gonna be the fun part of the tutorial. I'm super excited to do our eyes because I'm gonna be using an eyeshadow palette that is new to me, but not new to you guys. I have the Urban Decay Mania palette, and this palette is so gorgeous. This palette is literally so freaking gorgeous. I'm super excited to try this out with you guys because we are going for a New Year's makeup look, okay? First of all, the packaging is literally to freaking die for. Tell me this is not New Year's. Look at this, girl. What? We are about to body this eye look today. Like body with a capital B. Okay, I'm so excited. And we're gonna also be using the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. Shout out to my homegirl Abby, she got me the Zulu palette. This is my favorite shade in the Zulu palette. It is literally to die for. It's a perfect transition shade, so we're gonna go ahead and use that today. We're gonna go back in with the Age Rewind concealer to use as a base. As our transition shade, you want to take a light brown shade. We're gonna take Sun Tower as our transition shade. So now we're just gonna go ahead and just tap this right above our crease using tapping motions. Now at the corner, I'm just gonna go ahead and use circular motions to diffuse the edges. And then I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and we're gonna take this deep brown shade right here. Now we're gonna go into the crease and deepen it with that shade. Now we're gonna take circular motions and we are just going to diffuse those shades together. So now we're gonna go in with this dark shade right here, and we're gonna add it to the corner of our eye. This is a safer shade than going in with a black. We are just now going to use circular motions and blend that in. Baby, I feel like I am pulling my makeup skills out of the bag, honey. Now, as much as I want to go in with this loud gold shade, I'm going to go in with silver. I feel like silver is just so perfect for the New Year's. Sweep this over the eye. I love how it gives us more of a sparkle kind of vibe, but I'm just going to pick up the intensity and really pack this color on. I'm gonna add a little bit of that transition shade in the center, just so it can have like a nice transition shade to that dark color. We're gonna tight line with the blackest of the blackest gel liner, the Inglot Black Liner. To smoke out our under eye, I have to. I was eyeing this purple right here. It is like an electric purple. We have to do our under eye with that. We just have to. All right, my loves, so the eyes are complete. We have the lashes drying, but now we're just gonna go ahead and just dust off the excess powder. All right, guys, so I'll be launching this year. I know I've talked about this product for so long on my page, but we are finally in the works. This is going to be my liquid lipstick that I'm launching. This is a electric bright pink. I love this bubblegum pink, so pretty. So I'm gonna show you guys how pigmented this is and why we chose this color. Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful. I love this pink. To top this lip, I'm gonna take the Remedy by Ari in shade Conceited. This is like a metallic gloss. I think it's gonna be really pretty on top. Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and take the NYX, the Face Glue Setting Spray, to set our face and lock this in. Now we're gonna let her dry. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the Makiage Mineral Baked Highlighter, and we are going to highlight, okay? Look how pretty this is. No, I have to show you guys, look. Look how beautiful this is. This is literally like, what, does Neptune look like this? This is so pretty. We're gonna go ahead and put her on the center of my nose, and we are not gonna be shy. We're gonna go ahead and put her here. Ooh, yes. This was the last finishing touch that we need. Right under the brow bone. Perfect. And then we are going to add her to our cheeks. So we just brighten our under eye with the Stage White from One Size. This is like such a holy grail. And we're gonna do our final step with setting it all with the All Nighter One Size setting spray. All right, my loves, that is the end of today's video. I did go ahead and show you guys how we achieve from start all the way to finish, how we achieve this beautiful baddie full New Year's makeup look, okay? When I tell you this look is literally T capital, okay, Lipton. This look literally looks so amazing, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and comment down below this secret message. That is how I know you watch my videos all the way through. Give this video a big thumbs up. Join the team and just do it like Nike, honey, by subscribing to the channel, okay? We is lit on this side, and it is nothing but bad bitches, okay? I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.